Hi guys, this is a C# tutorial I developed earlier using ListView, which is the main focus, and I've also used MaskedTextBox right here and here. So let me show you guys how this works. So all you need to do is to add in the student details in there. So let's say that's the student ID number and the student name happens to be, let's go for Peter Small, and address happens to be Carltonville. Let's go for maybe 3 Carltonville, and the telephone number right there. Peter Small is studying, let's say studying medicine, and is in maybe 3rd year. All you need to do is add in Peter Small details right here. So you click on add, and there we go. One good thing about this program is you can also delete what you don't want. Let's say you want any of these off. Once you click on select, you can see it gives you a feedback telling you the item that is selected. So you can always hit the delete there, and you can always exit, or if you don't want to exit, maybe add one more information. Since you deleted one, let's go for Helen John, and address of Helen John, let's go for Kings. That'll be Kingsland Road, and telephone number of Ellen John. Enter the other mobile number, course, and year there, right there. So Ellen John details is right in there now. So what I'll do now is take you guys straight into C# development environment, and we put one of these together. So let's do that now. Welcome back to C#. Now we'll start a new project, and there we select C#. Make sure Windows Form application is selected. Right here, click on and enter the file name. Let's go for C# ListView. There, click on OK. Now that the file is ready, let's define the size of the file. Let's go to the property and set that as follows. Press enter. Now we need the following toolbox. We need 8 labels. Then I need list box. Let's go for text box. Then we need list view right there. That is the main focus, using list view there. Okay, now the list view is there. Drag it that much. Then the label, we need 4 of those. Then we need 8 labels. One more here, and there's going to be 1 label here. Then we need MaskedTextBox. We need 2 of those right here. Get those here, and let's change this. Okay, and select, we need it to be telephone number right there. I need 2 of those. Now I need a combo box. Now we have combo box, we need 2 of those. That's good. So all our components are ready now. Okay, let's extend it that much there. And here we need, let's go for plain. We're gonna need about 3 of those. Let's copy that and paste it right in there. Copy, paste, and reduce the size of this. Bring it in there. Yeah. Let's change the color of this one to control dark. That's the main one. Then the other one will just be Control DAC. And there, maybe we need one more. We need one more of those. Copy, paste, and change the color of that to just Control. And reduce the size to about that much and bring it right in. There. Now we need a couple of buttons. We're going to need 3 of those. 1, 2, and 3. And in here, let's move this down. Let's bring this right in here and change the font and size. Let's change the font to Control Light, and the size of that, let's go for about 12. Make that bold 12 right there, and change that into to select item. There. Now, okay, the next thing is to set the following property. Let's come into the properties right here for this list view. You see where it says allow column reorder. Let's make that true, and let's look for, I was thinking of using this, we let go of that. Let's look for label edit, make that true as well. Then grid lines, let's make that true so that we can get some lines here. Then we also need fill row select, let's make that true as well. There. And what else do we need? Everything we need to set here. I think I might be wrong. Let's see view. Let's change view to details right there. Okay, good. Now you can see the lines. Alright, we now need to populate the header there. So let's select this rectangle there. Can you see it? Just that small one. Click on it, select edit columns. Now click on add. Let's add, and right there in the property you should see a text there. So let's enter student underscore ID. Add another one and come to the text. Let's add first name. Add another one, make that surname, and another one, make that address, and add another one, let that be the telephone number, then one more, mobile number, and we need one for the course, and we need year, of course, there. Yeah. Right. Now click on OK. And there. Those are all the information that we need. That should be in total. That should be 8. That's correct. Okay then. Now let's speed up the design of the interface. Okay, this is how the interface is looking now. So let's double click on the exit and enter the following lines of codes. So right in there, let's make some room, and there, those are the lines of code for exit. So we'll have a good look at it. Let's move this so that you can see it. Yeah, those are the lines of code for exit. Now the next one, let's come back in here, double click on remove. And right here we have the lines of code for remove. There they are. Okay, now we need to add some codes. Double click on add, and right in here we have the lines of code that add all of the information on the Okay, this information is from student ID. That was on the text box. That's another one on the text box. Text box, the address there, and this is supposed to be masked text box. Another masked text box here, combo box. Now we clear the information that is added. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to be able to add some information onto the course and the year of the course. So double click on that, on form load. Right underneath the form load, we add the following information there. Okay, now this will populate the course combo box, and this will populate the year combo box. Okay, the next line of code is to double click on this so that we are able to display what column is selected here. So let's double click on that and just enter as follows. So which means whenever we run the program and select a role, we will see whatever role is selected here. So let's see. So if I run the program, let's run it and you see how it looks like. Right there guys, this is how it's looking now. So let's enter some data in there. Okay, let's say it is university number whatever, and enter the student name there. Let's go for John James. As the surname, and address is 9. Let's go for Hereford House, and telephone number, the other number, and course mathematics, third year student. There, you see that guys, you see how it works. That's beautiful. Okay, now we can just populate the system. Let's add more students. Yeah, and this one happens to be, let's say, Sally Ghana, and address is 67 Yorktown Road, and address, telephone number, and Sally Ghana is studying law, and right here she's in 3rd year. Odd. Okay, you see, that is how the system works guys, and we can even add more information. Let's say we made a mistake, and so we add that onto the system. We can select that to delete. Okay, and we can exit. Click on no. Alright guys, and that is how you develop a system using ListView, MaskedTextBox, combo box, TextBox, and labels. Just before I say bye for now, let me show you guys the codes, and that double click on add. Here are the lines of code for add. Now come in here, double click on remove. Those are the lines of code that remove the data from the list view. And here exit, those are the lines of code for exit. Now if we double click on form load, those are the lines of code for form load. So with that guys, I'm going to call it the end of this program. I suppose you all enjoyed, so you all have a nice day now. Bye for now.